turtle or two. Man, when they start going, they're gonna go. There they go. That was pretty cool. That guy there's pretty brave, isn't he? The goose bedded down. Probably got a nest up there. There's a beaver lodge. You can see all the branches sticking up. Where he's pulled them over to eat on them through the winter. First fish of the day. Camp is back down that creek. Goes a blue herring. And if you look hard, you can see our stuff up where we're going to camp. So this is what we're going to call home for the night. It's April 6th. We're out in the woods again. Came in by boat, like we did last time. A little fishing today. Caught one. If there's anything I hate, it's a damn tick. Sprayed the clothes last night, soaked them. While I was setting up the hammock, found a tick embedded in the inside of my leg. I don't know why God thought he had to make that, but something to live with. I'll show you the setup here. The War Bonnet Superfly. I'm using a web suspension system with 2 rings on each side. Get in here a little closer. Alright. You can see the underquilt that I made. I haven't named it yet. I will figure out a name eventually. That's the Hammock Bliss No Seam. Got my Thermarest pillow. So, I'm set to go. Pretty sight. Just make out the boat. There's Todd set up over there. out there is the lake. And there's our fire pit for the night. Pretty nice when you can pack the stuff in by boat. Hey, settling in for the night. The old hammock feeling pretty good. It's about 9 o'clock, 9:30, and it's about 45, 50 degrees. So, talk to you in the morning. Coffee will be ready in about 2 minutes. Woke up and got the coffee made this morning in the jet boil. Made it through the night with no problems. Wind blew a lot. Temperature did not drop at all. You know, it was upper 50s all night long. But another morning in the woods. Coffee from the hammock. Hell, it doesn't get much better than this. Well, as you can see, this is the Hammock Bliss, no seam, without the Superfly tarp. This is what we slept in last night. Here I've got the underquilt that I made. It's a synthetic. Works great. The only problem is it doesn't compress as well, and it's a little heavy. Thermarest pillow. It compresses real nice. And this is the newest edition. This is a 32-degree down sleeping bag that I got at Walmart of all places. Fantastic deal. It was only $79. I got it online for $69. I about burned up last night. That's the bottom line. So it did a good job. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this stuff off and let you see it, so it'll give you an idea of what they look like without all the system put together. First thing I'm going to do is take the underquilt off. Basically all an underquilt is just an outside lining. It allows some loft to keep the heat in and the wind and weather off of you when you're laying in your hammock. A pretty simple design. It's got a shock cord, and then on the ends these cinch up with these yellow ropes, which allows it to get in close under the hammock at the ends where it comes together and narrows. That keeps the air from coming in and warm air from getting out. So, pretty nice. Eventually I'll make one out of down, which should take the temperature rating down quite a bit, the weight down quite a bit, and the compressibility and packability of it up quite a bit. So, that's that. And this is the underquilt after I get it in the stuff sack. It weighs in at about 2.5 to 2 3/4 pounds. I haven't got it exact. In the stuff sack like this, it's probably pushing 3 pounds. So it's heavy, doesn't compress real well, but it sure does a great job of keeping you warm. This is the Warbonnet Superfly in its sack. It weighs in at about 19 ounces. I have my self-tensioning guide ropes on it with the ridgeline ropes in here as well, and you're looking at about 2 pounds. So that's not bad. This is the Thermarest pillow. And this is the new down sleeping bag that I got. It's rated for 32 degrees. It weighs 720 grams, which is like, my math is right, it's like 1.5 pounds. So that's not too bad. Hey, I moved the camera around to the other side so you can see the zipper that's on this side. Hammock Bliss, no seam. Without the netting, you just use it like this. If you're in warmer weather and the bugs are a problem, all you have to do is flip it over and set it up with the built-in bug netting, which is what I'm going to do now. As you can see, it's got this little built-in pocket that has the string to hold the suspension system up. Now, going to get in and let's take a look and see what it does. This is kind of an experiment too, because I haven't set it up before. So far, so good. Unless I bust my butt here. Yeah, that's something you gotta look for. Don't sit down in the net. Not bad. It actually keeps the netting up off your face. You've got room that you can sit up, move around if you need to. It actually has some two built-in pockets, little mesh pockets that you can put like your glasses, cell phone, whatever in. So, not bad. I just keep saying that, but I like it. So, I guess in memory of Roger Ebert, the famous movie critic that died this week, I'm going to give this 2 thumbs up. And then, of course, there's another use for these hammocks, and that's just flat chilling out. Hey, if you're even remotely interested in the hammock system, go to the hammockforum.com. It's a lot of good information, a lot of good reviews. It'll give you the information that you need. I tent camped for 35 years, backpacked all over the place. Since I've tried this system, it's been great. It's a good night's sleep, it's warm, it's dry. I think I'll stick with it. And now I think I'm just going to sit here and chill for a while.